Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java course 2023. In this video, we will talk about the inheritance concept in Java. So inheritance is one of the important pillars of the object-oriented programming in Java. Okay, so we will understand this by an example, very interesting example. Okay, so let's say you all live in a house, right? You have a house in which you currently live, right? This house may have not, it definitely will be having a bedroom. Okay, this house, your house is having kitchen, your house is having a bathroom, and maybe there are some extra rooms also. So suppose the extra rooms are, maybe two extra rooms are there other than bedroom. Okay, so this is your house property, right? Attributes of your house. Okay, now what you can do in your house, you can do multiple things, but two major things you definitely do, or maybe the house member of your house member, maybe your parents too. First is to cook. Okay, your mother may be cooking. Okay, so you can just write cooking in house. And second thing is bath. Everyone baths in house, so we can say bathing in house. Okay, currently it's winter, so maybe not everyone bathing every day, but yes, definitely bathing at least one day after other. Okay, so that's basic thing about your house, everyone's house, I hope so, right? So you have this house. Now currently your age is maybe 18, 19, you are a student or you are a fresher in the IT industry, and your plan is in the next 10 years, when you will be a successful person, when you will have lots of money, you will build a new house, not just house, a bungalow. So you say, okay, I will build a bungalow. So let's build a bungalow class. Okay, in this bungalow, will you have a bedroom? Of course you will have. You will have a kitchen, of course, bathroom also. These rooms, maybe the number can be a bit more. So let's just copy here for our bungalow. I wish you everyone that everyone of you will definitely will be a successful person in next 5 to 10 years, definitely, and will have their own bungalows, right? So best wishes to you. So you will have all these things. Maybe the room numbers may increase from 2 to 5. You can increase to 10 also if you want. Okay, I'm increasing to 5 at least. You will have a balcony. So you will maybe having 3 balconies in your bungalow, and you will have a swimming pool. Okay, you may have swimming pool, at least 2 swimming pools, and at least 1 gym, right? This you must have it to in your bungalow if you're building. And what else you can do in bungalow? What can be the activities? So definitely these two activities are, of course, will be there in any house, any bungalow, whoever is building. Even the rich people like Tata Ambani also do cooking, bathing. So there is no doubt in that. But other than these two basic things, we can also have, you can do gym. Okay, you can do gym. So we can write gym in house. What else you can do? You can do gardening. So you can do gardening, and let's write this also, garden in house. Let's say garden in house. So you are doing gardening, lots of flowers. So these are some of the additional features that you will build in your bungalow once you have lots of money. And this is the house which has all the necessary things, right? This is your parents' house. Now you definitely would say that when you are building the bungalow, when you are thinking of building a bungalow, you will say that whatever currently is present in your current house will definitely will also be in your bungalow, at least a minimum amount. You will increase more features, but will have minimum at least these things. But these are the additional features, these properties, and these two additional behaviors of the house or additional activities in the house. So here you see that we are again and again using the same thing, right? House has the same properties. We are rewriting these same properties again, and we are rewriting these methods again when they're completely similar to each other. Okay, so Java says that, hey programmer, rather than doing redundant work and rewriting again and again the same thing, why don't you inherit these things? You will say, what is inheriting? So it will say that you are copying all the same things from your this parent class, this your parent house, you're copying from here. So just inherit this class. So here comes the concept of inheritance. So what inheritance means is, it is a way to you reuse our code. Inheritance is a way to code reusability. Okay, rather than writing the same logic for similar type of class, we just inherit a particular class. So I can just say extends. Extends what? Extends house. This is a way how we can extend or how we achieve the inheritance. Now if you extend the house, what you can do is you can remove these attributes and you can remove these activities. You might say, wait, I'm building my bungalow, I also want a bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, I also want to cook and bath. Then how will I do this? Okay, so if you do this inheritance, these all properties you can access without even explicitly mentioning it. Let's see how. So if you are create a object of a bungalow, let's say a new bungalow, let's create a new bungalow and we say bungalow dot. Now you see here we are getting the access to bedroom. We can here write my bedroom. Okay, something like that. You can access bungalow dot and here you have the feature of bath. You can bath also. So see that the reference variable we have created is of the type class bungalow. The object we have created is of the type bungalow, but the method that we are able to access, the property that we are able to access is coming from the house. So this is the advantage of inheritance. Now remember that when you are trying to change the bedroom to my bedroom, you are assigning a new value here and you are assigning bungalow.bath. This will not affect the object of house. Okay, so if I create a house object also, okay, house, let's create a house. So okay, no, okay, I created a house object. Now I say house dot bedroom and I say parents house bedroom. Okay, and I have changed the property here to bungalow dot bedroom. Let's see if both come same or different. So I print side by side them. Okay, I say house dot bedroom, bungalow dot bedroom. Okay, let's see if both have changed or not. So if I run this code, let's wait for the run. So you see that the first one is bathing in the house. Okay, this is the method of bath. Okay, so if you see the second one, first is parents house bedroom that we have assigned here, right? And this is a my bedroom. Here is a my bedroom, which is the bungalow dot bedroom value. So you will own a separate instance or separate attribute of all these things that is present in your parent class, but you don't have to explicitly mention that in your bungalow class or in your child class. That's the great thing about inheritance. So just see that we a few minutes earlier, we were writing so many code. We were writing all these 4 lines here, then 4 to 5 lines here of code, and we have removed all those extra lines of code, all those redundant codes. So it has become very easy. So this is the concept of inheritance in Java, through which we can achieve code reusability, readability, and we can achieve the object oriented programming concept. Okay, we can easily use that. Now remember one thing, if some attribute here is private, so if I write private int underground, now in our house that is built by our parents, we normally have a underground room or maybe storage room, something like that, right? So you will say that, wait, since underground our house is small and don't have as much space, that's why we built underground, right? But in a bungalow we have a lot of spaces, we can have lot of rooms, lot of we can build a separate storage room also. So why to take this storage, or why to take this build an underground bungalow? So if you declare any attribute as private, you cannot inherit it. So anything that is default, I have told you about the public, private, default and protected. So anything that is public and default can be inherited by the child class. So two things are there. First is parent class, second is child class. The parent class is the one which is inherited, from which the properties are being inherited, and that is also called as superclass in Java. Okay, and the class which inherits from the parent class is called as child class. In Java it is called as subclass. Okay, so we have the concept of superclass and subclass. I hope you have understood what is inheritance and which properties you can inherit, only public and default, how you can create the object here and access these, and you can have your own, your object will have your own separate set of attributes and behavior from the even those attributes and behaviors from the parent class also, right? So this is a small introduction about the inheritance. In the next upcoming videos we will discuss more about it, so don't worry, we will be discussing more about this inheritance in detail. We will understand about different types of inheritance. We will understand about how constructors work in the inheritance, how protected method work in the inheritance. Okay, and we will also see how method overloading, method overriding, everything works, right? So a lot of things are coming up in this inheritance. Now we are starting with the full-fledged power of object-oriented programming in Java. So we will explore everything in detail. Okay, so this was just an introduction to inheritance. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.